to build our children's future. There's room for a helping hand. One child is one dream is one family's tomorrow. We are anchored, answering the cry of the poor. We are anchored, answering the cry of the poor. We're giving and sharing heaven. We are anchored, answering the cry of the poor.
to share my story and journey with you guys. So once again, my name is Andrea Ilaya, a proud alumnus of Angkop Scholar. Thank you so much for everyone for being here with us and being with the Angkop Scholars. I do hope that my journey will inspire young individuals that Angkop Scholars na natin karoon para manitapon o graduate. So, I am so proud to be here now to share my story. But before I tell you kung saan ako and why I am here now, let me share with you ang asa ko na ikan, no? So growing up as the eldest, ako ang tinuwangan sa mga family. So I can still vividly remember the days nga pag high school, pag elementary, like walang malakit si mama o papa. Imagine my t-shirt, my pants, my shoe, even my shoes is hand-me-downs, no? So gikan siya sa mga may agaw na mga ginag ko. So as I grow older, kaya dili din siya anak sa iyo ng mga nagian. So kanang times nga buwag ang ikaon, by the way, dad's job is a driving collector sa number. My mom is side hustles to para namin nakakaon every day. So during my senior high school days, every time I go to school, my daily allowance is just 40 pesos. 40 pesos. Imagine ang TV sa una is only 10 pesos if student ka. Bakit for plus 20 pesos? So imagine, kailan na lang ang ako ang para sa food ko ako. But God is so very amazing, no, na sa first semester for 5 months, I was able to go up sa akong daily needs. As long as you scholars and top scholar, you hope na you will continue serving to God. Kaya there are people who are willing to help with always. So on the 7th semester, my mom told me, doon ka na, ato na sa account center, doon na ibig ko sa ating mga operator, and i-apply ko sa account scholar. And thank God, on my grade 12, no, as a senior high school student, nanawan ko sa account scholarship. Pero, the challenge is not yet there. As the eldest son sa mga pamilya, isip ang life, hindi siya yung anak na sustain ko sa inyong mga lalaw. Makakita ko sa mga mamud na bilang ba. So I made a bold decision. Pagka-7th semester na ako, before ko nalawan yun sa Angkop Scholarship, kaya nahimo kong service ko sa mga province. Apat din na nabalhin ko sa Jollibee, and college student ako. Pag-college student na ako kay a lot of struggles kay naabot. It's because ng COVID pandemic, no? So, as nag-explain lang ko, ako'y naghanap sa akong compound, and imagine, Angkop is giving me semester allowance. Pero, if kung ako lang ang positive, that was enough for me. But I have siblings to help. So, hindi ko kaigo pagtrabaho na ako sa Jollibee. So I applied as a call center agent for 3 years. Sa akong pagtrabaho, I was able to help businesses na ako. And ako straight tawag na ako. So I think everyone here naka-experience COVID time. Isun kaayo ang life, walay trabaho si Papa, walay trabaho si Mama, kinsa may maghatag sa mga. So nag-work gihapon ko as a call center agent full-time and also a full-time student. But luckily, because of the pandemic, bisun kaayo, it's because I can juggle up my work at the same time with studies. During my internship via online, Kaya I need to go to school, but I have studies. So in short, na condition, I failed it. So natagan ko sa ako, natagan ko sa Cebu Scholar. Yes, I am Cebu Scholar po. So napadayon ko, I wanted to finish my job, I wanted to finish my degree as a Bachelor of Arts major in Psychology. But after the 4th year college, kay Bayan na. So lisod ka ayos na niya, kuha ako ang bayan because maghatag sa balay, maghatag sa kusindi para namin makakawal. But imagine guys, si Mama ni Lolo ni Tita Ibig, I wanted to give a hand out na papakan na sa Tita Ibig kaya essentials na mag-reflect sa buhay. I-share ni Mama, share na kung kung sa'yo problem. No? Dili ko mag-graduate if dili mabayaran ang tuition fee remaining sa UC. Without any hesitation, Tita Ibig ko, no worries, ato na ang pagkamundan. So ang istorya, niadto siya sa UC, ihatag niya ang money. Kaya mabayan na ulit so, para mag-graduate ko. Without any words in gawas, I cried, and also Tita Ibig. So imagine, no? Si Tita Ibig, siya man ang way para sa ako. Bisa, nag-listen ko sa ako ang mag-school before, nawagtanan ko sa Outlook Scholarship, but still, Anton provides. And that's how amazing this opportunity is. No? Thank you, Aya. Thank you so much, everyone. No? Sa mga nahatag. Without this, I won't be here as a graduate student, as a kuya. I am 26 years old. But because of the knowledge and everything that God, Youth for Christ, have given me, the courage to face everything, I am now a branch manager at Anytime Fitness, Mactan. So without you guys, without this organization, didn't ko ang face to face a crowd such big as this. So once again, young individuals and top scholars, I do hope my story will ignite your passion to serve more, to work hard, to persevere. Kaya si Antop handa utapan. And do not hesitate to tell your VIP, to tell your titas and titos na aninha if you are facing a problem. Okay, I'm 100% sure they are there always. Isang wala na sila makbulsa, maningkabot o maglita sila mga matabangan ka. And once again, this is Kuya Andre Ilaya, now a club manager and a proud alumnus